Look at this little baby. This little baby is a cockatiel. This little baby hatched out today. At lunchtime, while I was home from work, right before I left to go back to work, I looked and, whoa, saw this baby, so I didn't go back to work. I haven't seen Mama feed the baby yet, but I just fed the baby. I just fed the baby. Look at the little baby's leg. Look at him. He says, oh, come on. I want to get cuddled up here. It's like 85 or 86 degrees in this room. This room is essentially the nest box. And Mama is right here. Say hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Yes, you did it, didn't you? You did it. You're the mama. You're the mama. You made a little baby. You made a little baby. Yes, you did. You made a little baby. You made a little baby. Look at him. There's this little crop right there where his chest is. Where humans would have breasts. That's this little crop, and that's where his food goes. Looks pretty full. Like one of the reasons I say that is because he's not opening his mouth as much as he was now. Now he just seems content to just, I'll be here with my mouth shut. I'm just chilled out. And I believe that if he was cold, he'd also be calling out. Like, two things can make this guy call out. Well, if he was too hot, that probably might do it as well. But if he's cold, he'll call out and he'll move around probably. And certainly when he's hungry, he'll call out. And I've heard him call out earlier. This, by the way, that's his little remnants of his egg. No, he did not hatch on the dirty floor. He hatched up here. Well, this little guy looks all tuckered out. I'm surprised by how much fuzz he's got on him. Yeah. News. I saw him have his first pea potty earlier, and I cleaned that up and wiped his butt, and I concluded, oh, I don't think that was his first one. I think his first one had dried on his rear, but I got a Q-tip and I soaked it in some water and cleaned up this little guy's deal. He looked like right there he was maybe trying to make one, but no, don't see one. Surprised how much fuzz he's got on him for day one. Look at that. Help keep you warm, little guy. But his head doesn't have any yet. He's got a ring on his head like a bald man. Yes, yeah, the baby. Yeah, the baby. Oh, yeah, the baby. Yeah, let's set him down there. Let's set him down there. He likes to go into the corners, so I took and put these socks in the corner. No, Heath, you want to go get on your baby? Want to go get on your little baby? Come on, go get on your little baby. Are we gonna go get on him? Let's take him to the... Oh, he's gonna get there, I think, on his own. Watch this. He's gonna get to that corner where I put that sock tip to keep him from going off into oblivion. He's gonna get over there and he's gonna stand himself up. If he can get his head out of that nook. Stand up, little guy, get your head up. Or is that gonna be good for you? He says, you know, I might take it like this. I'm trying to stand up. I'm trying to get his head out of there. Out of that little nooksty. Yes. Yes, little baby. Look at him now. He's like, oh yeah, this is perfect. He said, this is perfect. The rest of my little face in here can just chill out. It's like, oh man, this is perfect. This is like it was designed for me. No, you got turned over. I have to watch those seed shells that they don't get on him or get in his eye. I have to watch that religiously. That little girl was eating some bodies there. Look at that girl eat some bodies. Ooh, she's eating bodies. Oh, he's just eating bodies. Look at that little mama go. Little mama made the baby. There's your baby. Look at that little baby. There's a baby. Already working and getting strong. Exercising. See if we get the temperature in here. Looking like about 84 degrees. I'll tell you what, I don't really want to get under 85. Maybe 85, or less than that. The baby born. Oh, little Heath wants to get on daddy, huh? You want to get on daddy? Little girl wants to get on daddy. What, you think your job's all done? Your job's like should just be starting now.